Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can go to create a very high quality do follow backlinks. So the first website name is miny.com, and if I can show you this website a domain rating, so you can see 85 domain rating of this website and the domain authority is 71, spam score is only 2%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see around 6.7 million this website having a monthly visits, and mostly traffic from Japan, USA, Taiwan, Hong Kong, France, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic, and there we can create a profile backlink. So this backlink is for profile. So now we're going to start. First thing, we can convert this website language into English, and then you see here you can click on the login button and click on the sign up button. There you can put your email address. Then after, click on the send member registration email. This site will send you the activation email, so you can check your Gmail box. So I received. Open this, click on the first link, and you see your account is now ready. Convert the language into English. There you can put your username. Username should be don't have any space between. Then after, you can choose your password. Then you can click on the agree to the terms, and you see our account is created. Now what we can do, then you can click on this profile icon, click on the setting button, and you see there is a profile button, profile section. You can click on this, click on the edit button, and the first we can upload our profile icon. So you can upload your profile picture. There you can if you wanting, so you can change your nickname, so you can make your name professional. Then after, there you can put a short description about your company. So let me use this, and make sure your description should be under 250 characters. So then after, this site will allow you to you can create your description, sorry, your backlink. So first we can put sorry, we can paste our website URL in this section, and there you can put your website blog URL, and you can paste here, and there you can put your all social media usernames. So first we can add username, and now we can add a Facebook username, your Instagram username. And once you guys will complete these things, then after, if you have a cover image, so you can also upload your cover image from there. Then after, you can click on the update button, and you see our profile is updated. And let me change the language, and you see there is a view your page button. You can click on this, and you can copy this URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved backlink or not. So you see this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality do follow profile backlink. Let me save this. This is for profile, and all the URLs I can provide in the description section, so where you guys will easily understand so which website for the which category a backlink.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
Okay, so our next website is leenote.com. So if I can show you this website authority, so let me check. According to Acharya, the domain rating is 71, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 67, and the spam score is only 2%. And if you can check this website traffic, so you see around 264.8k monthly visits this website having, and mostly traffic from Japan, Norway, Korea, Ukraine, Latvia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So make sure, so definitely you will create your backlink in this website, so you can grab attention, the traffic and the crawler from these areas. Okay, so now we can start. First, you guys will remove those URLs and this website for the social bookmarking. So if you're wanting to create a social bookmarking backlink, so you can make this website, you can keep this website in your social bookmarking list. Okay, so first thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. There you can add your username, your password, then your email address, then you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can verify the captcha. Click on the sign up button, and you see our account is created. Now we can activate our profile. So you can go back to your Gmail, and you see I received. Click on this and click on this link to verify. Our account is verified. Now you can click on the my page, click on the create a new canvas. There you can put your canvas name. So I can added my brand name. Then after, you can change your background color. So suppose you can choose any of from them. Then after, make sure you can check this third option. So everyone may post stickers. So suppose everyone in the world can see them. So whenever you post something or bookmarking or anything, so it should be the publicly visible for everyone. Then after, you can click on the create canvas. You can select the notepad from there. There you can put your website content. So let me create for this, and then after, and make sure you can keep your font size is smaller too. You can add many things, and then after, and if you wanting, so you can add some content around your bookmarking backlink, and then after, you can paste your URL here, and you can see there you can add your tags. And if you wanting, so you can also add your any another important pages. So suppose this page is important for me, this is a backlink page, so you can also include many URLs, but make sure you don't do any spammy things here. Okay, then after, you can click on the post button. Make sure don't click on the private checkbox. Click on the post button, and you see our backlink is successfully created. And if I can show you, oh my god, so you can copy this URL, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved backlink or not. So you can click on the continue to site, and you see this is a backlink, and this is instantly approved. And if I can show you, this is a no-follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do-follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no-follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality do-follow profile backlink, and this website is for the social bookmarking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to create connect with me personally any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you can easily get connected with me. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, and if I created something valuable content for you, so make sure to you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because your little support will motivate me more to I can create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.